What's up, Mohammed? I'm looking at your week 5 task in ACA, and hmm, anyway, not many people have done very well. I can say that now that I'm just about done with your class. Let's take a look at yours and see what you did wrong. Oh, but seriously, let's look at your self-service here. So this is what you're registered in this current semester. I see you got some accelerated courses that last for the latter half of the semester. Good luck with that. All right. You're going to need to be on your toes taking that many accelerated courses at the same time. Looking at your timeline, there it is. Progress. This is kind of your second go at the first semester, and these are your AS guidelines essentially, and it shows you what you need to take to complete the AS and what your options are as you move through it. So you'll be taking, I recommend, if you want to do some catching up, let's just say, taking a section or two in the summer. 112, English 112 would be a great course for you to get out of the way this summer. And then certainly any of these other gen ed courses that are likely to be offered, you could take too. Why don't you, if you're open to it, I would take at least 2, but probably 3, and then you'll be well on your way to kind of catch back up if that's something that you want to do, or take it easy. It's up to you. Anyway, it's helpful to go to your self-service and check this out under progress, and you can see what your options are for these various required options that you have. Oh, so let's look at your plan. So UNC dentistry, yikes. That means you'll be in, your education is going to take a long time. That's okay, because we want our dentists and doctors to know what they're doing. Now, what I needed you to do here is to tell me which BS degree that you're going to get, because I don't think that there's a bachelor's degree in dentistry, but you do have to have some kind of bachelor's probably in biology, but I honestly don't know. So you want to go to Chapel Hill, dentistry or pharmacy. Let's look at those baccalaureate degree plans. UNC Chapel Hill. What I do not think you will find dentistry, but dental hygiene, that's not what you want. What you would have to do is go to graduate admissions, I believe, and I don't know. I've gone through this before with another student. And so you'll get, I don't know, do you get all those degrees? Do you just get one of them? I really don't know. Jeez. A lot of different directions you can take. Hopefully you've read up on this and you know more about it than I do. Certainly I'm not going to learn very much about it in the short span that I'm doing this video. But what I would need to know is what bachelor's degree do you get prior to applying to their school of dentistry, which is a post, it's not an undergraduate program, it's a postgraduate. Oh, so I think it'll probably either be biology or chemistry, but if I were you, I wouldn't want to guess at that. I would want to find that information. I think it depends on which of these fields you're going into. And there are plenty of different ones to go into. Prosthodontics. Those guys make a lot of money. I've certainly paid a lot to them. I don't know. You're gonna have to do some digging deep. But in the meantime, let's just say that you're going to simply get your AS degree. I don't think that's the way you should proceed. I think you should proceed in such a way that you know exactly what degree you are intending to get at Chapel Hill. Because if it's, for example, when it comes time for you to take your natural science course, they're probably going to want you to take both sequences. So I wouldn't want you to take General Chemistry 1 and Biology, General Biology 1. You would want to take both in the sequence. And I don't know this, but I'm betting they want you to take chemistry and biology, so you'd end up taking 4 sciences. And so that would kind of dictate what your general ed electives will be, your other required hours. So it's important to know specifically which baccalaureate degree program you should be using as your guide. So, and I don't know that until I explore through UNC's dentistry stuff over here that we're looking at. Yeah. Like I said, I'm not going to find that very quickly here, but you need to. So anyway, let's look back at your plan. What I wish you'd done is, instead of like writing these descriptively, you needed to put in the Wayne's prefixes. So instead of health, HEA 110 would be helpful. Or pre-calculus, is it 171 or 172? Probably 171, but that's what I'm saying. Using the Wayne prefixes would be more helpful. Is ABA? Do you mean ACA? I'm guessing you don't, because this is ACA 122. But anyway, so here's your first plan. That's a pretty tough semester there, and you're probably in for some tough semesters if that's the way you're going. But I notice you only have maths and sciences. And I just want you to be certain that you're taking the things that you ought to take, because you're definitely going to have to take these other things that I notice are absent from your plan. So there's something that just doesn't make sense to me about what you've given me. There's several things, but you need to show me which semester you're going to take. 112. You need to take 2 of these courses from different fields, see 2 different subjects. So you could take public speaking, as many people do, and a lot of people take art appreciation, and you're going to show me which semester you're going to take it. Same thing with social sciences. You'll take 2 different fields here. So if you're registered for political science, maybe the next one you take is one of these other ones. Which semester you take which math and that kind of thing. Make sure that we offer the math that you want, the specific semester that you plan to take it. Like, for all I know, we don't offer Calculus 2 in the fall. We might only offer it in the spring, because we offer Calculus 1 in the fall. So I don't know, but you owe it to yourself to look into that. And I can imagine that a lot of your Gen Ed and elective courses will be in taking sciences and perhaps more maths, but I can't say for sure until I found the exact plan that you ought to be using. Let's just look at this one for kicks. So it's an AS going to get a BS in biology. They're saying take biology 1 and 2. They want you to take organic chemistry and general chemistries, both of them. They want you to take statistics. They want you to take as high as Calculus 2. Oof, it's tough. At the same time, I still need to see these, like I was saying. Those are some gen ed electives that you're going to have to take, so fit them in wherever you can. And other required hours. Yeah. We don't go up to, for foreign language, we don't go past 2, just so you know, here at Wayne. So maybe that's why your oh no, they've just stacked them weirdly. Anyway, yeah, of course you'll be taking these, and this isn't broken down by semester, but yeah, so you do need to have all of those, like the AS guidelines show you over here. So I'm giving you partial credit, as I am for most of my students. Do me a favor, put in the Wayne Community College prefix, and it's not just Wayne, it's the prefix for the course across the North Carolina Community College systems. Put that in there so I know which one you're talking about, just that we're being precise. And you need to be putting in there all the other courses that you're going to take. And, you know, we offer 2 world histories, we offer various health, we offer 2, you know, pre-cals, we offer various biologies and chemistry, you know. So just be precise and be careful, and make sure that you're covering all of the AS guidelines, not just those that are pertaining to, you know, the math and science. So do me a favor, revise this thing and send it back to me, and if it looks good, I'll give you full credit.